You ready?
Yeah, let's get clucked in. We're working now.
This is where we start seeing the turkeys right here. They usually hang out in the openings in the early mornings and kind of late into the evenings. And then they start going down into these deep ravines and the thick stuff in midday. So we could usually hear them clucking and gobbling down in here. We mainly just walk this ridge line right here and glass from above and kind of game plan and see what we could do to get in on them. But this is the point where we really have to be tactical and somewhat aggressive. So hopefully, fingers crossed, we get in on some toms. Yeah, those gobbles were down just on the other side of this knob, huh?
Yeah, well hopefully. Like I said, sometimes those gobbles are really far away. And they seem close.
Yeah, the only other thing to do really is we either stay here and kind of look at all this, or we could kind of wrap around that knob down there,
Yeah.
where we were sitting yesterday and those hens came out.
And just
kinda,
kind of
yeah.
pop a squat there for a while.
Because we could backtrack up this way and wrap around down and try to get in on something if it's over there.
If we do, we just gotta be very quiet.
Yeah. Just use what the mountains give you for cover.
Let's have a toast. I saw something. Let's have a toast to seeing, finding, and shooting, and harvesting, nailing the tag of a turkey on the other side. Alright?
I'm down for that. Just caught a turkey that crossed the field down here. It looked like a hen, but she was cruising back and forth and went into some brush, but couldn't get a real good look at it.
Was she by herself?
We got her on the front scope though. Just spotted a turkey down here. He's making his way up towards us. Trying to get a better look at him, but God, it's so cheap. I mean, we can treat it like a tom and stalk in on him.
We can get down behind these bushes and come real slow, knock an arrow down there.
Yeah. Thought I saw a beard flapping, and then he went and
There's a baby with it. But that would have been cool, huh? Over that bald spot right there.
Yeah, dude, all I saw was that deer just take off down this hillside. We thought it was just a younger deer chasing after it.
I think that coyote's gonna come back over here, dude.
Yeah, man.
We should cut him off.
This coyote.
He's gonna come right to that field.
Yeah, dude, he has a pretty coat. Let's go. That coyote was chasing a doe right from this hillside and came freaking right down this ravine. Things are hungry here, man. This is our modified coyote predator call. It's supposed to be a crow call, but a coyote down here, and then that coyote that chased that doe, he's over here. So
Trying to relocate that one that chased that deer.
I couldn't get those coyotes to come in. They're probably still chasing some deer down in there. But one came out, like we mentioned, chased a doe away, clear over there. It almost had it too. And then a short while later, we got here, another one. Crest over the same path, kind of making their way down there. There's been a lot of action this season so far with a lot of predators and stuff. It's been a fun year.